One Nation family, wagwan, wagwan. I never know say chink and crablow still about. Really and truly, I never know say chink and crablow still about. The last time I hear about chink, as some jailer. You know, man, you go to jail, and them come back and them tell you how much a hinder so you can't find it because the clusterness and the heat, them say them things a chink love. So the last time I hear about chink, a jailer, man, you go jail. And the last time I even see something close to crab house, a bed bug, and them sitting there when I see, man said it have. You understand? So I never know say chink and crab house still there about. Me see one come out on phone name, what's your name? Shirley Flea. Yes, Shirley Flea. Like them a dog, you know? Shirley Flea. Just like one little ugly face, tough face, man face, iron face one me see. I look some knowing on phone. You know? After she early stage, you go up on her YouTube page. When you look, you see how much kind of, what they call it now, congratulations and all kind of, you know, good things she a talk about AD, and all of a sudden it coming like people out there when you not talk about AD and pay people to come out for her. It is obvious that a uno aside with people out there to come out against the woman and a pay people to come out against her because this Shirley Flea. Somebody send me the video in my phone. I'ma watch the video, people. And when I watch the video from start, I start watch the video, I never know what this girl is all about. But just by start watching the video, I see something now go right here, so. Because the impression upon this girl's face and how she start, just tell me say she go right down one road. And people, when I listen to the video, I was so upset. It is obvious that this girl come with a motive. This girl have a motive doing this video. All of what she say, she counteract what she said. She just say something now and she counteract it. She contradict it. She do everything in the one video. The girl prepare all cheese to come discriminate the woman things. You come to do a video and do a review. You don't want cheese to eat cake. So where you have cheese at the side of you? Because you have your plan, you have your motive, you know exactly what you was doing. You know exactly what this video was all about. This girl either get paid or she just want a viral video. She look a buzz, she look a hype. And the whole of them choose it for Auntie Dana. And them always come choose it in the wrong way to try bring down the woman. You get the hype now, you go viral. You go viral today and tomorrow nobody no know about you, nobody no hear about you. Because you just get a little one viral video and show a Dana name called, everybody just run with it, every vlogger run with it, ray. But your hype done in 24 hours or 36, 48 hours. Why you don't come with some substance? Anyway, people, you know what they do, you know. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Please remember to watch the ads. And continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you're not subscribed to that channel yet, go over there and miss same one if you're fresh and new over here. Positivity over there. Cook vlog, outdoor cooking, indoor cooking, adventure to come, drama, commentary and all. Little newscasts. You know, you name it. Every little thing over there. And on Thursday we have a live where we keep 9:30 open topic where we talk about just about anything. You know? Yes, man. And remember, the young entrepreneur college student, her link of our YouTube channel in the description and in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription also. Help her to reach at 1,000 subscribers. You can just be a winner of a free giveaway for the Christmas. Anything customized to your choice. Mugs, tumbler, necklaces, chain, rings, anything. Cups, anything customized to your choice. Your name, pan it, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your picnic, anything you want. And remember the cash app pin in the comment section. You ask for it, you get it. $, Life is a Mission TV. People, me even not gonna further, you know. I dissect this video. So no just do the do. Hit the thumbs up if you not hit it yet. And remember, watch the ads. Mr. People, just by looking upon the girl face, you know, man. Me see the type of person where them is, you know. People, listener.
So this is the sorrel coconut and
You go buy something where you don't know what you buy?
Something like some fruit cake.
That's the first thing.
Mixy, or whatever I name. But me think of the bigger one, the 2 pound or double decker, I know say such a small stuff because look on this. What size is this? And this alive here is not for no planka texted for me.
You so know.
I don't know more than me.
You don't know body, man.
All me want is my money's worth.
You know go wish for you could get your money's worth.
Order this from Kingston this morning and then bring it come a St. Anne's. From some boy named Sebastian go pick it up. And
You hear her? Hear us style the big man. Some boy named Sebastian. You tell me now, just start of the video. Make me know this girl here have an intention, she have a motive. You have a style the man now. Some boy named Sebastian. Who is you? Shirley Flea. Shirley Flea. Your dog? Who is you? Where so much flea I do upon you? But some boy. If you didn't want bolo slush, your money, you go buy bolo slush, man. If you didn't want one big old something, so when I have no value for you, like $65, you complain about $65 and come in a phone and going like you're somebody. Eh? You're somebody, man. What is $65 US?
drop it off. So I know for the delivery fee or what. Because this
boy.
is not worth no 65 US. Me not ask Christ. So me take it off.
Whatever you have on your foot would have worth less. Because got so much time you give it for free. Got so much time man trick you and take it for free. So it would have worth less. But it not worth. Do man keep not worth.
Go back a foreign next week.
You think a butter and sugar and little flour and little spice alone the woman throw in her cake? Eh? You think a little butter and little flour where your friend them where good as send you come? I'm just mix up and throw in her cake? You see how much that other expensive ingredients where the woman put in her things. You don't want to pay for that. I just raw butter and flour and sugar you don't want and little cinnamon and little vanilla and nutmeg you don't want. Buying you know up in town now. So don't not got toilet and want to just buy you know up.
Surely I go want back my money. Me not ask Christ.
You know come take it.
Watch out. What if I just steal one and not fresh one? As me say.
Which part you know the auntie Dana have stale cake? Only just more want to know listen to people. I don't want to be fooled, you know, by these people when them come out, you know, and go and let them do some natural review, you know. When people come out and have them natural, real opinion, we have to respect them for it. But not people like these who come out and create an atmosphere to suit them friends and followers and themselves. And when them come out, like them a look a viral video. Because through what the man come out, come to Lord God Auntie Dana, you get them too expensive, man. I want one and rare. And the man get a viral video, so you come like that, you look to. You come out and go on like you know, you have this uptown nice. You have look a color with the whole of makeup on your face.
Blanca, on a text set for me. Alright, so you know.
Look on the ching. Watch your ching. Watch your ching.
This is too small. Good morning.
Why you never buy a bigger one? If you want something for your family of 20, you should buy a bigger one.
Big, you look way different than this.
If you didn't want to sit for go feed your whole family, you know go buy 110 bag of Jack's Bulla, man. Or Captain Bakery in Bulla. If you didn't want to sit for carry back of Florida, go feed your whole family, man. You know buy where your money can buy. Why you never send go buy 3 or 4 if you don't want to go feed your whole family? You don't want one little cake. Feed your family at 10 or 20 or 30.
I hope I'm not trick me because it's not make sense. Anyway, the packaging disappointing. Me can't believe it's small.
Everything she have a
it's
problem
like a
with.
cookies,
And
not
she
cake.
didn't taste the cake yet. And she have a
let's
problem
see the
with
taste.
everything
Hold on
down to the packaging.
Because can't come live in a daytime and have no Wi-Fi. And now I have the Wi-Fi. See there?
And your hype and cockati so you know buy data put on your phone or have phone where you roam. The way you come and go on like you have it all in a phone, so you have like a color and like a makeup on you. You should have phone where you roam. Or your phone should have full of data. But it's true you not have no Wi-Fi during the day. So I hook up off of some of the Wi-Fi. It's coming here.
I don't know if it's fresh, it's stale, it just bake. I have no clue. What is this?
She find every bad thing to say, you know. And she never taste the cake yet, you know. This alone make me know, say, from the start watch the video, I say, yes, me know the road with that girl here go down. I know the road that she there go down just to how she start the video. She complain about everything.
Store. No, see good. I want something there in I make like onion. It's, at least it's still crack up like in the video them.
Crack up like your face. Where you use the whole for makeup to patch out. I saw it crack up. Compared to their face.
You know, smooth on the top. See?
Lift up your blouse, I could see your belly if your belly is smooth.
I hope this is the fruit, you know. And then claim this is the coconut. Oh, come in. I want no Java, no coffee, and then sitting there. And this, I must see this cereal. Oh, see coconut pan top. Come in like, what the hell is that?
You're not spending no time to look because you want every bad thing to say.
This are the fruit, and so this are one girl cake or one man. This can't share for family. I think this could have share for my family for Christmas.
Father God. But you never send go buy 10. You want one little cake for your $65 for serve for your family?
I must say one eat this, one slice and done.
And you come and go on like you're so high.
Let's see, I'm not talk about soft and nice and
Uno you know talk about.
So let me try over here, so. See what really I want.
So she come with an intention, Uno talk about soft and nice.
And this too small and expensive.
If you buy a cake, because yes, you hear about the cake and you hear about the cake, and you buy the cake, review it, give your honest opinion and review. All the way you say you don't need to say it, you know. And all the way you do right through the video, you never need to do it, you know. Mother, you just eat the cake, give your opinion, and you come off. You actually run a complete live discriminate and putting down the woman product for over how much minutes.
Planka, you don't take set for me. Because you know, me talk my mind. This is not even 1 pound. If this is a half pound and quarter pound, I lie me and tell. This no make it. Very disappointed so far, Auntie Dana. Watch out. She claim say nice and moist. Hey, what a backside. Planka. I'm gonna come over here, so. Because you're so nice.
Have you seen her look?
Oh, sir. So this can't share. Hold on, then we can't even get it out. Where the backside is. We can't even cut it good. Me not
mash it up and fine. When you have a plate, this up, put a turn it out in and cut a decent slice. Mash it up in the baking tin and then fine for.
So I'm sorry this. Auntie Dana, me I want you from now, you know. This not taste good. I want my money. Alright. Now make me come.
You don't know what your decision are going to be like. You already know that.
Kingston are 99.
You already know what your opinion is.
Hold on. Back one, yes. Alright, sorry. I don't smell no cereal. I don't know if it have smell. It looks soft. It look nice, I can't do, no? Not even know. She said this morning batch me get it from Ada Fresh. And she shipped it from Kingston to Bochi. And I pay feed. Take a couple hours. Thank you. So me just come from party, me tired.
Shirley Flee, this here people see how they Shirley Flee.
Get no more Wi-Fi, so me come live. I want to know if me forget the next one or send this go foreign or just eat it now. I don't know. Alright, so here goes Auntie Dana sorrel cake. 1, 2,
You're scumming
3.
her, man. Or if you forget that, you're scumming her.
First time eating it. Not taste no sorrel. It's come like a red velvet.
Cake no taste good and girl and yam off, lick off all nice.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to fish
It's not
already.
dry. It's soft, it's true. But taste-wise, it's very expensive, man.
So why you never go buy a bag of bulla? Why you never go to one of them cheap store they go buy one cake for $5,000 with big so? Since I sit there one to feed your family. You could have got one of them cheap cake store there, you know. Or one of them supermarket, the Price Mart, or one of them place there, you know. If it's a family cake, you didn't want to feed your family, I never want to pay the price seat. Because you can't want to feed your family with one little beanie cake. You send go buy a cake and expect say that one little cake that you buy a Jamaica now. You not left you till next week. And you go buy one little cake to go feed your whole family at Florida. Why you never buy 2 or 3? The way you hype. I'm not talking about my $65, my $65. A problem, you know. Only the woman should stay away from her.
I don't know Auntie Dana, this not worth it at all. It's too small. And it's still not strong at all.
You know what I want to understand? I want to understand if it's the size of the cake or the taste of the cake. Because she continue to say it not worth it, it not taste it, and then she gonna say this too small. So if the cake not taste good, what you worry about the size? And the taste of the cake really, you know. You come to give a review upon, you know, and your opinion, you know. But yet still during the whole video of you discriminate and criticizing the product. You still a sing pan, it too small, it could a little bigger. If it a little bigger, me buy. So how you gonna buy something when it tastes good if it a little bigger? So I want to know what is your problem. Is it the taste of the cake or the size of the cake? You think you should have get something big like one trailer front for your 65 US. Watch her. Cake not taste good and she a lick off knife. She a bite off cake off a knife and she a go cut more cake. And cake not taste good. You understand? A knife she a yam the cake off, you know. The cake what she a criticize say not taste good. People, if me buy something and me go so boom, whether liquid or something foody, and me go so and me taste. I'm sorry, I want a second taste to get an opinion. And it not taste good. I dash that I give to you know. You understand? Me not continue to drink it. Because it not taste good. This girl you know, she taste the cake. And eat still, she continue to eat the cake. And I eat the cake. And I eat all the coffee knife. You tell me, if this girl not come with a motive. Viral video you look man.
Let's see if me taste fruit and rum in this other part. Watch out. That's peace, Auntie Dana. See what I can for. Yes, the fruit, right? Alright. Oh shit. Is that still the cereal? piece are still sorry. We're going to cut deeper then. Also that part here. I them red.
Cake not taste good enough. But look on the big piece on the fork where she got pushing her mouth.
Very red. Pear weed and smoke up in the club there where me I come from.
You know, look, you know.
Alright, hold on there.
Cake not taste
watch
good.
my face, me tired. Contacts them a burn me.
Watch it, and
this
cake
a
not
party
taste
of
good.
I see the fruit. Hold on there. Girl, it's 90 degrees in Jamaica. Don't you hot bad? Stay in your cool. No. Auntie Dana, no sir. I don't taste one fruit and one rum. I want one for the fruit cake.
So basically, because it's a fruit cake, you don't want the type of fruit cake where when you bite into it, you bite cherry, you bite this, you bite that, and you bite that. So you don't want it. You never want a smooth eating cake where you taste everything combined. Hey girl, you know no quality, you know. You're one of them where, you know, look pretty on the outside, but you're not good no wet on the inside. You want to look pretty on the outside and all the whole of the makeup where you have on your face, but you're not good on the inside. Yeah man, you want to be pretty on the outside, but you know nothing about you. Nothing.
I'm gonna touch some plank kind of this.
Proud you look.
No sir, Auntie Dana, no sir. Alright, I can dig up in the other part. I just did one half and half now. Not even know how to cut out that part, yeah. I mean, I am coconut, so let's...
Well, just go and listen to her contradict herself in this whole video where she do, you know, say she a review a cake, you know. This is supposed to history. This is supposed to be one of the longest review ever done for one of Dana cake. When I say one of the longest review, and all because this girl come with a motive, she have her intention. You understand?
Well, you know, funnily, me no eat coconut, and the part not taste so bad.
Alright, a piece part not taste so bad, you know. And Ray and the part that tastes like the best part. And after that, listener. Hello?
It's like pudding. Auntie Dana, any oil bigger arm could have try a sample. Maybe. But
You see why me ask what is our problem? Is it the size of the cake you feel like you should get to a big old trailer front cake for your $65? Or is it the taste? Which one of them? Auntie Dana, any it bigger? Maybe. Maybe. What the maybe is about? You're criticizing the taste of the cake, say it not taste good and it not make it. But Auntie Dana, any it bigger. So it seems to me you did expect one big old cake so for your $65. If you did get one like that, you could have go feed your whole family of Florida and friends, you'd have been okay with it. But two, you don't get that. It's a problem. Further down, listener, you know. But it's still at this minute, if it did bigger.
no lie, the party not taste so bad. Just like one nice bulla.
You hear her? She a give the cake a prop, but at the same time I tear it down. But not lie, the party not taste so bad, but it tastes like one nice bulla. And because she have all of that plan to come out, come review the woman cake. This is the reason why she have the slice of cheese side her. You understand? Content she a try make after the woman because she a look viral video. Because you know for Auntie Dana you come out them way there, people are going to see a video and want to repost and talk about it.
Well, all my peeps in Jamaica, as I say, first time trying Auntie Dana yam bad cake.
So I choke you.
Don't kill me. It's my opinion and my money and my mouth.
Them have a saying where you said where sometimes you eat something like yes, them and them say going at the wrong throat, which is probably the wrong tube. Yeah man. I'm sorry, a couple fine piece of the cake never go there so. Yeah man.
My taste.
Where you wake up all this morning and still I try carve it up.
Whenever I no wake up because I'm about 5:30 now, you can watch it for yourself. I'm not lying. It is soft. It's moist. It's not dry. Okay? It's not dry. Me not taste no cereal. Me not taste no rum and fruit. And the coconut.
You know what sorry tastes like? You could have even know what sorry tastes like.
Pure trash.
You could have even know what sorry tastes like. You could have even know what sorry tastes like.
Pure trash. So you do taste the coconut, and me a girl wanna eat coconut. Although me eat gizzard and drops and so what. Maybe that one yeah, a number 1. Maybe number 2 and number 3 when it comes to taste. For the mixy.
So when a friend bear the people sit down for me. I don't know when come around and sit down for. People, I want to listen up for the last part of the video. Coming up to it. When me a dissect the video long gone that.
This is my $65 US worth of cake. I don't know what size this. This is not no 1 pound.
The size of your problem,
this is
man.
like quarter pound.
You want a belly full for you and your family. So
For
you
the
get it
money,
to criticize
I don't
woman
know.
thing.
It's because of transporting it or shipping it to me. Make it cost so much because I did not go to Auntie Dana house and get it. Somebody, I pay, go there and pick it up and come back and sell it to me. So I hope I the real Auntie Dana cake this and no fake and no scam. I hope this is a Auntie Dana products for real.
I want you to listen up, and listen the last part of this video. You don't see the whole top of the video and hear the type of person this girl is. Said she come with a motive. She have her intention. This was all premeditated from somewhere or the other. You understand? Whether she doing it personally for a viral video or for her page, or she have so associating with other people out there who are trying to carry down the woman. So from top of the video, you can hear, look, see everything. You understand what I say to you? Plus, this girl said the cake not taste good. She lick off knife and a bite off the cake. Every crumbs drop, she take it up. And the cake not taste good. Me could have sit there and yam so long and it not taste good. When I make good money, me take spend me a dash away. Because quality me say over quantity. You understand? And this girl had dung in the woman cake but eat till it not taste good. I want big old sitting so she that look fine in one wash pan. But I want to listen to the last part of the video. To show you say this girl did come with a motive.
It looks totally different than in your
describe.
videos and pictures. It looks way smaller and liquor. But Auntie Dana Nyambad cake, first time trying it. This is Shirley Lee from Florida. Right now, me there St. Anne's in a Jamaica.
Boy, the people are you like some Dennis Brown are playing in the background, afraid for a strike. Afraid to get a strike. We just want to hear the part. I have to pause till she reach a part there. Or I can repeat after her. This can't carry back to Florida. Remember it's not damn good enough. This can't carry back to Florida because share for she and her family. And one person something this. One person for eat this. So what you want to carry back? You done sample, criticize, but you didn't want something to carry back to Florida. And it can't carry back, and it's a one eat. But eat still after that. Listen up. Me just want to reach a part, make a slippy tea, make you not hear it. That's not your opinion, but get refund.
You know when you buy things at Jamaica, there's no return or giving it back.
She say you want like a cheap girl. You want scum in her. But you wish you could have get a refund. But you still you think about carrying it up to Florida, go feed your family. And it's too small, so it's a one eat. You go eat it you alone. Eh? She say yeah, sure. Listen up. Maybe it needs some milk. She only have supplement. And watch out with the cheese now. See it? You see cheese? It coming like bun and it needs cheese. So this only show you say, see cheese in her hand? She come with her intention, her motive. This was well planned. Premature this, you know. Yeah man, this prematurely planned. As me say, I don't know if it's a viral video she a look. I don't know if them send her come, she get paid or what. But this was clearly a motive. We just want to hear the last part.
Some cheese more than cake.
Dennis Brown are playing our background, people. And me can't take a strike right now.
Then I'm going to come live earlier when I buy the cake because I never have no Wi-Fi. So now me have Wi-Fi, I need to go my bed.
So, you don't have data on your phone. You have to each pan people Wi-Fi.
So this is it.
You like if you have data. Hey boy, beer, who you around to? Watch her. Cake not taste good enough, watch her. Cake not taste good, but watch her dive in a cake same way. Watch her. Something cannot taste good on me night, so people. Tell me the honest truth. Watch out. From me taste and it not taste good, I put that one side. Nyam really bad. I the right name it have, nyam bad. And when I say nyam bad, I mean nothing good, it nyam bad. And watch her. Watch her face. Choke it for choke you. I really have this thing already a place, so probably the part of me want to hear when I hear it from myself from she. Like I really them out in my background.
Then no animal, no cat and no dog we eat too.
You hear her? I'm going to play it back. To which part she has stay, them not have no animal and no cat and no dog to give to. So that's why they want to go to Florida. Because your family are cat and dog and sitting. So true, you are the only dog there out of your family. You're going to eat it. But true, hey, I'm telling you about you know. Listen up, you know.
True, the wish part me a stay and then no animal, no cat and no dog we eat.
Yeah, but you is a cat and you is a dog in a one. So you are going to eat it. That's why you are going to eat it.
Could have way bigger for the money, Auntie Dana.
Here again?
Should have way bigger. This
It not eat good. And too much there no cat and no dog, no the fish should give them. But it could have way bigger Auntie Dana for the money. What is your problem? Is it the taste or the size of the cake? You understand? Or truth not big enough is the size. So truth not big enough you can't go feed your family where you must see a cat and dog or whatsoever. Because it cannot taste good and you want a bigger one if you can't go feed your family. But you still discriminate say two no cat and no dog. You discriminate say two no cat and no dog and they wish by you they make you no throw give them. So your family where they want carry the taste bad cake, okay, them are that. Them classify as that. Well you not there man as the only one. So you are gonna name it. Speak my mind people. And I tell you, these are the people when 99 say she don't want to buy her things. Not support the woman man. Because this is what I support the woman for to bring her down and bring down her product. So keep on the money and yam on the money man. Speak my mind people. Come to the end of the video now. Big up on yourself, when you know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscription button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Watch the ads. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Remember the backup channel. Support it. Same way. Life is a Mission TV. The Young Entrepreneur College Student. Link of our description. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section.
and in all that and a bag of chips.
Give her a subscription. description. And remember,
Auntie Donna Nyam bad cake.
remember, the cash up pin in the comment section, $sign.
What
Life
is
a
the
mission
hype
TV.
about only Jesus know? You could even send a sample before me open it. No chap. The label not even right. Because the label only have the coconut ingredients. It don't tell us say fruit in the and sorrel. So I'm not even thinking label good. Oh boy. Better eat up my 65 US, yeah?
Cake no taste good enough. And watch it. All the crumbs. Watch the crumbs. Watch the crumbs.
Coconut.
All crumbs she a pick up and yam. Watch it. And cake no yam good. When you tell me if all I want to see and I listen and I hear, this girl don't have a motive.
I need a good glass.
Speak my mind, people. I'm out.